Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for stopping by to check out this brief video today. The backdrop for this video is one of our new high converting lead capture pages, okay? And I just want to share this with you that with a Genusity 2.0, you have a great home-based business opportunity, and you have all the tools that will help you to succeed. Okay, and as you can see this, and I love this. Tired of being broke? Guess what? It stops now, and you just have to make the decision that you want more, you want better, you want to grow, you want to develop. Okay, and that's just a decision that you have to make. But let's look at this together. All right, I want to pull this down just a little bit, and let's see the rest of this. And boy, I tell you something, this is truly exciting. Okay, so let me get out the way here. Look at this. New business concept gets your customers. Okay, and folks, with this system that we have, all right, you will be given like free signups and sales with this opportunity. All you have to do is come in and go to work. Just come in and share this with other people. There's no selling, there's no telling, there's no convincing. As far as that, what you do is you just simply share. You present the opportunity. Okay. With that being said, okay, look at this. High quality products at wholesale prices. Okay. You make up to 55% profit off of each sale. You get to buy products below wholesale cost. Okay, so if you want to get products for yourself, guess what? You get them below wholesale. All right, start your own sales force and team and make up to 100% daily bonuses and 100% monthly power commissions. This is absolutely incredible. So I want to invite you to join to join me in this incredible opportunity. I've got one other thing to show you, and then I'm going to shut this video down. So stay with me. Okay, folks, real quick. Look, when you join with me in this business, you'll be joining our team, which is the Change Your Life Club team. Okay. And look, this is a guarantee. You'll get unequaled support from me. All right. I'm committed to your success if you're committed to your success. We've got a 15 to 30 minute daily step-by-step ad system already in place, ready for you to go. This is what I do every single day. I don't miss a day. And let me tell you something, we're getting signups and sales, and we're rocking this thing. If you want to rock this thing, okay, then you join us and we're going to show you how to do it. All right. We've got a co-op advertising program. If you say I don't have time, 15 to 30 minutes a day, which, guess what? If you can take 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can do this business. If you have more time to do this business, then you'll rock it even faster. All right. If not, we do have the co-op advertising program for you. We also have a team Rotator system and working on putting together a success motivation team call for our team. Are you ready to rock and roll? You ready to do something? You ready to make some money? You ready? Grab the link. Get started with us today. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and mighty and powerful day today. Bye-bye now.